Hello, everyone. You're welcome back again on BETONG's Crypto. I'm excited. Why? Because the market is giving us some good flavor. Word in the street is saying that Bitcoin can get right up to about $114,000 today. But when Bitcoin is moving, there are altcoins out there that move alongside Bitcoin or move after Bitcoin has moved. But now, today, I don't want us to talk about that. Like, I made a video yesterday talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoin market. I want us to talk about the meme coin market. The best meme coins to buy now. The five best meme coins to buy today for massive gains. Potential meme coins. Of course, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I'm not that guy who would tell you go and buy this, buy that. I'm just saying this based on my experience, based on education only. So this is no financial advice. I have to, disclaim this, is disclaimer. I don't want you guys to go and buy because I say so. You have to make your do your own due diligence before you get involved in any of these crypto asset, because crypto is a wild west. You can make money, lose money if you say you don't know what you're doing. So I don't want you to be that guy who's just gonna buy because one guy from YouTube says so. No, I don't. I want us to go through and you learn from the process so that in the future you can make your own damn decision when to buy and so on. So if you like this, then like it. If not, then hate it. But I know you like it. So let's dive right away into what I got for you guys today. But by the way, if you're watching on TikTok and you want to see my screen, I'm on YouTube live now. You can see my chart, everything. But if say you just want to watch me speak, good and fine. Just watch me speak. But at least if you want to like follow what I do on a daily basis, go and follow me on follow me, like subscribe on my YouTube channel. The link is found on the bio section. Now back to you guys on YouTube. Today, I want us to look at the meme coin market. Five best meme coins to buy now. I don't have any meme coin prepared for you guys. Trust me. I do my things like a pro. Like I want us to go to the market and then find those meme coins ourselves so that you're going to see the metrics I use or the characteristics I use to sort out the meme coins we're going to buy now for massive gains. I have a whole list of meme coins, but I want us to choose just five of them, today. So let's dive straight away into this. But you can see the flavor is awesome. The crypto bubbles is giving us awesome flavor. Oh, like everything is doing well in the market. But let's dive into this meme coin. Like the first I want you guys to look at today, right now, is the Tron meme coin. Well, I talk about this meme coin. Not like okay, I shared something meme coin. I think that was 2 days ago on my X. So if you're not yet following me on X, go and follow me on X. And by the way, I didn't even mention you joining my free community on Telegram. Do that because there I share stuff. So I shared about Trump coin. Let me just go straight away to Trump coin. So you see what I was saying and why I think is the first meme coin that you should be looking at currently. Now, this is a Trump coin, on the 20 minutes time frame. But let's go to the weekly setup. Now look at this setup. Okay. I want you to see something here. Price has been moving sideways above the alpha trend on the weekly time frame for a long time now. Look at the year, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks, guys. It's time for this bad boy to make a huge move to the upside. And if we drop down to the daily time frame, you're gonna see that the move started. Why? The 5-day EMA have crisscrossed the 13-day EMA, and now we are heading to the 50-day moving average, and price also is gonna be staying above the alpha trend. This is super bullish. If you zoom out, you're gonna see that price has been rejecting the 50-day moving average multiple times, but each time you see price reject the 50-day moving average, price attempt to go and create a lower low. But in this case, we haven't created a lower low yet on the Trump coin. So I am looking at this move now to break and close above the 50-day moving average. That's why I shared like 2 days ago. If you see, like price was still here, around here, and I told you guys, Chrome is about to pump. It's making a huge, like, it's building. The market makers are building momentum to take this bad boy to the upside. And now I'm seeing that what I mentioned back then was right. So Trump coin is going to make you massive gains. Of course, I mentioned at the beginning of the video, this is not a financial advice. I'm someone who knows nothing but says something. And if you want to follow me, it's at your own risk. But I have to say this because you guys follow me anyways. So yeah, you know, you can like it, hate it, but this is the reality of the market. Now, looking at this, right, I would say that if we are to look at the target, like target like which zones can we cash out profit, I would say we can see price go right up to $15 from where we are. If we see price break, the first TP, like, okay, let's just do this. It's simple. Let's bring in the FIB 2, yeah. Block it from the top of that move to the bottom of this move. So the first TP will take us to about $11, right, for Trump, and the second TP is about $12. Then the last zone, which is the golden pocket, is gonna take us to around 13 or give or take $14. So if you are looking at taking out some profit, well, you can cash it out at about 11, 12, $13. So within that range, you are good to go. Right. So I'm gonna like be honest with you guys, right? Um when you look at meme coins, like I want us to talk about this a little bit before we go to the next one. When you look at meme coins, or when you hear someone talk about meme coin, right? It's not every meme coin. Right. Like if you hear me talk about meme coin, I treat that meme coin or the meme coin I talk about like any other altcoins out there with massive community or massive product or massive something that they are offering to the public. Now, if you look at Trump coin, what is the value of Trump coin? Like, what makes Trump coin valuable? Why is Trump coin valuable? It's a meme coin. It has no utility, nothing. Like there's no product, no services. Like what makes it valuable? Of course, Trump makes it valuable. When you look at the beginning or the creation of the Trump coin, you realize that the Trump coin was created based on the fact that Trump was going to be reelected, or Trump was campaigning to become the US president. Now, the Trump coin entails all the MAGA supporters, those who believe in Trump, who love Trump. So they are buying Trump memes, or yeah, Trump meme coin. So it means that the fan base of Trump is involved in the meme coin of Trump. So the community now become the utility. Every meme coin you see out there, the community is a utility. If you see a bunch of people saying that they believe in this thing and they want this thing to work, that people are valuable. Except you think maybe they are animals, or they are like, even animals are valuable. If you see animals, lining up in space, maybe you want to go have them for food. Uh, but what I'm trying to say here is simple. Any meme coin you see out there which is successful right now, or is or have high trading volume, is valuable because of the community. No exchange release any meme coin out there with low liquidity, with low community, with low volume, or no community. Yeah. So I want you to understand that the meme coins I'm going to be talking about here are meme coins that I believe are going to be here, regardless how you feel about meme coin, regardless what your friends, your popular YouTuber, or whosoever is going to talk about them. These meme coins are here to stay. So Trump coin is gonna be here to stay because of what I just mentioned to you. Now, the other reason why I chose Trump coin is because Trump coin moves alongside Bitcoin. Now, when you understand the concept of market making, or who moves the market and how they move it, and which other coins they move alongside when they move the market, like Bitcoin, like like Bitcoin has the most liquidity. Okay, the most money is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, the market makers that move Bitcoin, when they move Bitcoin, and you see other altcoins, meme coins move alongside Bitcoin, then that altcoin, that meme coin is valuable because the market makers say so. Now, when you look at Bitcoin, whenever the alpha is moving, Trump coin is moving as well. I just want you to get this. I know I'm taking a lot of time, but your time is going to be worth it when you understand what I'm saying, and then you can apply this in any other thing you are investing in, right? And I'm doing this based on my experience, based on, like, I've been here for a long time. Like, not like, yeah, like not like 10 years, but I'm here for a long time, doing crypto since 2020, like full time crypto. So I know what I'm saying, and I know this. Now let's get to the next meme coin. I've been talking here, blah blah blah. Let's get to the next one. I know you are here to just get the meme coin and go your way. Of course, I'm gonna talk about bread coin. I'm gonna talk about bread baby, right? Brett's coin is one of the biggest meme coin on the base chain. Now you are like, okay, well, like what does that mean? Like a base chain and so on. Base blockchain is owned by Coinbase, and Coinbase is one of the largest um crypto entity in the world after Binance. Like, of course, yeah, Binance is, in terms of like volume, second by Coinbase. So if Coinbase is the largest exchange in the world, then Bitcoin is one of the biggest meme on the base ecosystem. What do you think is gonna happen? Of course, all, or almost, let me use all. Most, let me use the word, most of the Coinbase user who are going to be buying meme coins are going to be buying Bread coin because it's the largest on the base ecosystem. I mean, if you look at the volume is high. You look at the community, they have the community. If you look at when Bitcoin moves, this bad boy moves with Bitcoin. Now look at the current price action. Look at this structure here, guys. Look at this on the weekly time frame. We made this huge move up here. We came back here. We held. Price wasn't able to go and make lower low. And now we are attempting, look at these guys. We are attempting now to go and make higher highs. Look at this little man here on the weekly time frame. I call it the little man, the short man. The short man printed itself, yeah, giving us that bullish signal. So dropping now down to the daily time frame, you see that we have been building momentum here on this time frame, and the target here is going to be simple. Again, you can bring in the alpha, like the fib tool from the top. Like in this case, let's do this on the weekly time frame, right? We want to target the top, from the top to the bottom. So let's take it from the top there to the bottom, and guys, look at these gains. Wow, we, like, the first take profit zone is 0.10, but now guys, I want us to look at the bigger picture. If this bad boy is here to stay, it means price at one point will attempt the previous all-time high. Okay, so the golden pocket should be your major area to cash out your profit if we're gonna see massive movement for this bad boy. Of course, I always want you to take profit along the way as we go up, go up. So 0.10 will be the first TP zone. 0.12862 will be the two, like the second, like, yeah, the two, the second TP zone, and then the golden pocket is gonna be around 0.15377. Just look at this, the chart. You can mark the different zones for yourself if you want to, but this is what I'm looking at, and this is how I'm gonna be treating my TP, my entry. I'm already in the coin, like when I see price get to at least like to the 50-day moving average, I might start looking at, okay, maybe if we see some rejection there, maybe I'm gonna be looking at opportunity to add more. But what I'm trying to say here is, um, we are still early to buy and then cash out massive profit. Yeah, but again, we can go more downward, and going downward doesn't mean that the coin is bad. It will mean what Bitcoin is doing. But now, I think if we have to look at a meme coin with community to buy massive gains like this year, then Bitcoin is among the coins to get. You know, and I'm gonna continue with the next coin, which is more coin. And I've created more videos about Mockcoin anyways, but it's the same structure as what we witnessed with Breadcoin. Now look at Mockcoin. See the same structure on the weekly time frame. Look at this huge bump, rejection here. Like price wasn't able to go and make lower low. Where price has been forming lower, higher highs and higher lows. You can see higher highs, higher lows. And these are body signal. This price here, this higher high hasn't been invalidated yet because price hasn't yet created lower lows or break structure. We are still in structure. That's why I think right now is the right time. Like right now, or now. At times I don't know what I'm saying. Now is the right time to get, like, right now is the right time. Now, like, the right way to say it is now is the right time now is the right time to buy, more coin. Yeah, that's the right way to say it. But right now is the right time to buy. Well, I don't know what you think. It's like I'm that's tautology anyway. But guys, the point here is, if you look at the structure of more coin and based on the way we do TA, price is still at an early stage where you can get in easily without you FOMOing in. Don't wait to buy when the price is already pumping. Buy when price is dropping. You buy when the price is dropping and sell when price is pumping. That's why I'm marking the key areas where you are gonna be getting out your profit. So if you ask me, I would say this is a buy. Now dropping down to the um the daily time frame, you see that, like, we have made this massive dump after this pump gradually, and now for the past 3 days we are seeing price in an uptrend, which is awesome. The target, at least on this time frame, will take us straight to the 50-day EMA. That's good stuff. That's good sign. You can buy it now, buy later, but just be aware that when you're buying this is spots, don't buy its futures. Just buy it and allow for price to play out. Simple. That's it. Let's get to the debt coin, or yeah, the debt coin. I have 5 coins. I can just say to you guys, buy more, buy this, buy that. But I want to go deeper so you see. I don't just do things because I want to do it. I do it because I want you guys to learn the whole process on how to go about everything. Okay? Now, the next coin I want us to look at here is Popcat. Okay? If you look at Popcat from up here, down here, you see this bad boy has dumped like crazy. Okay? But now, what do you see here, guys? Price is holding key resistance level here for Popcat, meaning the next target should take us to the upside. So we have to see price, or let me not say we have to see. Let me just use the word, or let me just say the upside is more, like, the probability for price to go upward is higher than the probability for price to go downward. I think that's what I should say. Because if we see price go downward, it wouldn't be that significant, right? It might be like 10%, 5%, but the upside can give you about 10x. So that's what I'm trying to say. Right. So if you see price where price is, you buy. You don't buy when price is already pumping. So Popcat is and the third coin, yeah, coin, and the last coin, which is my big boy, is Migo the dog. I know, like, okay, there's a lot of hard feelings when it comes to Migo, right? Migo will pump, will dump, but that's what we love about meme coin, right? It will pump and it will dump. Okay, Miro is one of my meme coin, my top meme coin there. And I think is gonna do well and is at a buy zone. Why? Look at what price did up there, down here, and you see that we are at a zone where maybe I'll say maybe it's a jackpot because the next spike can be something like this. You see, look at this spike. Boom. So you can just buy it and cash out profit up. It will still mean massive gains for you, right? I'm just gonna add add some more meme coins to you guys because I think there are still more. I mentioned five. Let me just add some more for you guys to take advantage of. Can get Floki. Floki is also at a good buy zone. You see Floki. Shiba Inu also is at a good buy point. Sheep, you can get some cheap. See, it's at a good zone to buy Shiba Inu. I'm not gonna like go deeper. These are already big meme coins in the space. If say you wanna add some more, you can get Toshi. Toshi is also a good meme coin to buy. You can look at Degen. Degen also is a good one to buy. You know, um, you want to get more, you can look for Boomer Book of Memes, one of the biggest meme coins on the Binance ecosystem. So those are the meme coins that I think can make you massive gain. Oh, I almost like forgot. Oh, this bad boy, our baby Doge coin. So get some baby Doge coin, and yeah, so these are the ones I'm looking at. Like this one is a buy. Like I mean, I don't have to say. Look at previous price action. You see it pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. And you expect another pump again and then dump again. I mean, guys, like it's so simple to make money with this guy with these coins. Like you can see, like I mean, let me not overwhelm you guys, but you can see what I'm trying to say here. If you understand TA, then it's gonna be easy for you to know when you're gonna sell and when you're gonna buy. Now, talking about TA, those of you who want to take your trading, your investing to the next level, feel free, guys, to you know connect with me. I can teach you one on one, teach you a skill that no one else out there can take away from you. If you have the skill of trading, you can be anywhere in the world and you buy anything, and make money. Trust me, you can buy stocks, you can buy forex, you can trade forex, you can trade stocks, you can trade oil, you can trade gold. The skill can trade any market. Crypto, just have to understand how price move. Doesn't matter which asset you are buying, you know, when you understand how price moves, then you're gonna be able to buy anything. I can trade forex, I can trade stocks, I can trade bonds, anything because I understand price action. So I want to impact the same knowledge on you. If you wanna learn, then feel free to join my community. Let me know that you want to take a one-on-one session with me on crypto education, and I want to take you from base to up, you know, give you the knowledge that you deserve to take you to that level. You are going to become a pro. And if you want to trade with me, you want to actually like be part of my buy and sell signal alert, you can either pay $50 monthly or you use either of my exchange link to join, and then you are going to be getting my buy and sell signal. So use either of this exchange link here at the description of this video. Bitronics, Bybit, trade with on this platform, deposit something there like $100 where you're gonna be trading with me. Then you're gonna have access to my buy and sell, um, you know, buy and sell signal, daily buy and sell, daily buy and sell signals. Whatever I'm buying and I'm selling, you're gonna get it. You can either pay a monthly fee of $50 or you join for free by using either of these links. So it's up to you to choose on what you want. But this is the end of the video, and I want to insist that when you're buying any coin out there, You have to understand that there are moments where people are gambling, and there are moments when people are investing. When you are gambling and you are investing, is two different things. And when you're trading, is also something else. Now, investing means you are investing for long term. You are buying and then holding for long term in anticipation to make profit. Now, when you are trading, it's more of short, so you are just looking at quick gains. But when you are actually gambling, it means you don't know what you're doing. You just buy and you expect it to go like that. But with investing, you have done a lot of studies, research about that coin and why it should be available, or why it should be the way it is. And based on what I'm saying here, these coins that I've shared with you are investable if you know when to buy it. And the investment could be a long term, a short term. In this case, I'm looking at short term investment. Where you buy, swing trade like for 1 week, 2 weeks, or the rest of of this month. Then you see how prices will react to those key areas that I mentioned, and from there you can continue to buy again. So if you want to learn all of this, as I mentioned, make sure you take my free, like not my, like you join my free community. Then let me know that you want to, learn how to trade or how to invest in the financial market, probably currency. Until then, guys, see you the next one. Have a nice day. Bye. Ciao. Peace. Coming out